All right, let's move on to today's motivation to move. It's important to stay active in all stages of life, and maintaining core strength is especially important when it comes to staying healthy as we age. So today I'm talking to an expert about ways to target the core and stay fit over 50. Joining me today is Lily Horowitz from the Core Method. Now, Lily, we all know we're not supposed to forget about strengthening our core in a workout, but why is it important to staying fit over 50?
Having a strong core is imperative to having better balance, having better posture, having less back pain.
Do we need to change the way we work our core as we age?
When we age, some of our bodies have some limitations, so we can't necessarily do things the way we did them when we were in our 20s and 30s. Think about the way we're making these movements. Use our mind to connect to the muscles that we need to be engaged with in order to strengthen our core the right way.
Having a strong core can benefit our functionality in our daily life today and for years to come.
Thinking about what we're like when we age is really important, and how our bodies can carry us through so that we can age healthy and fit. You are never too old, you are never too young to start focusing on strengthening your core.
Lily, you've got 3 great exercises to show us that will help get us started, that anybody can do at home or in the gym.
So we're going to sit up tall right at the edge of the seat. I want your sits bones on the seat and your back straight, so you look like the letter L. Then I want your arms to come up here, but I want you to think about dropping your shoulders down. You're going to pull navel to spine, holding it right here. Take a deep breath in. As you blow your air out, you're gonna lift one leg up and then lower down. Exhale up, inhale down.
All right, exercise number 1 in the books. What is exercise number 2?
Exercise number 2 is a simple leg lift. Take this leg long, making sure your foot is flexed. Lift our leg up. Now, I want you to think about pulling your belly in to lift your leg. You'll do 10 on each leg.
What's exercise number 3?
Exercise number 3 is just a leg extension. So we're gonna hold this leg up, knee to knee with the other leg. Again, pulling navel to spine, flex that foot, and then blow your air out while you exhale out to the side and inhale center.
What we can take away is knowing that strengthening our core is fundamental in helping us stay fit over 50 and for years to come.
The biggest reason to stay fit over 50 is that so you can live a healthy life and be strong and be able to do all the things you want to do for as long as you want to do.
Lily, thank you so much for all the great information. We want to see how you're staying fit, and we want to see your core workouts. You can always tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.